Hey, good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody doing okay. Coming today, we got hooked up twice yesterday, but no landing, nothing, zero, nada. So, but we're gonna try today again, huh?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try today again. Try to do it, and you know, let's enjoy the video. Stay tuned and see. Hope we get a hook up on the shark today. Only guys want to show you something really crazy. I see yesterday the whale all the way inside the ocean, like really deep over there, really deep. Look, it's over there now. It's in the shore. I'm gonna show you how close. It's really in the shore. So check it out, guys. They're here. It's pretty sad, but look at that. It's pretty big. I don't know, maybe like 20 feet, 20 or 30 feet. Check it out. All right, guys.
A leopard shark, we just saw it, but jeez, this thing's big. Oh yeah. You see it? It's over there. He's hooked good.
That's how you do it.
He's right there. Like somewhere around there. He's close somewhere over there, but where is this? Oh, we know it! It's a big one! This is his, what, third cast of the day? I almost took one up too, but I missed it also. He's taking off fast. Jeez. Hooked him good. And we just got new, we put new hook setups for our line, and it looks like they're working good so far. Oh, he's tired now. Oh, he's right there. Where'd he go? Woo! He's taking off now.
Take the wheel.
The rod is the thing that's bending so much. Yeah, we're hooked up good. Oops. He's way out there. He's right there, like in the middle. Oh, the leopard shark's tired. He's right there.
I'm getting tired too. Okay.
We were here for like, what, 10 minutes and we're already hooked up? He's really close. Slowly but surely. All we know is this one is very big. It's right there, under that wave that's about to crash. You can see it. Oh, it's right there. It's literally right there. I want to see. Yeah, still recording. You want me to go grab him? Oh, that's so good. Not too big, but okay.
It's okay, come on, come on. Oh, I get it.
Oh, his fin spit off. It's got fin. I got it. No, it got me.
This is how you do it.
Third cast of the day.
Nice. Hey, check this out. Never give up. Still tuned. Enjoy the video, guys. Woo-hoo! Fish on, baby.